And welcome back. I am Diti Lama and this is Vision of Asia South Asian News segment. Let's now take a look at Indian non-profit organization Save Indian Farmers. Did you know that one farmer in India commits suicide every 41 minutes? Save Indian Farmers works to address and help this issue, which affects Indian farmers at a very high rate. The organization works in various projects to do invaluable work improving the life of farmers, widows and their families who aren't able to sustain their living by farming, which is a huge humanitarian crisis. On this, recently in New Jersey, Save Indian Farmers hosted a fundraiser in support of water conservation projects in India to help the plight of the farmers. Do visit saveindianfarmers.org to see the organization's work. Here is the story.
Thank all the members of the organization who have been consistently and persistently working since last many years to help the farmers in India. So again, a big round of applause for all the volunteers who spend many hours behind the scenes to make this success.
This is Anant Chaudhary from Save Indian Farmers. I'm a project director working as a volunteer for Save Indian Farmers. Thanks for joining here with ITV Gold. We have this fundraiser in association with Hidden Gems. They will be performing shortly, and this is a fundraiser with CDC guidelines. You look, there's like people are maintaining safe distance with masks, and we have everyone knows like the Save Indian Farmers is a non-profit organization, 501c. We started 2011 with reactive projects of saving the widows, like providing them with the small businesses and helping them with to support their families and paying their debts after their husbands have gone into suicides and so on and so forth. But slowly we have changed into proactive projects where we have water conservation, sustainable farming. We did organic farmings. We have started with 500 farmers, and then like we spread across like 5,000 farmers in Maharashtra, in Nellore, also in Tumkur in Karnataka. We have also organic farming and in Bundelkhand area, Asim Foundation with Jammu and Kashmir. We have in Uttaranchal. We have several projects of water conservation as well as organic farming. We have several borewell recharge. People whose wells have been dried for several years. So we have a technique with the help of Sankalpa NGO. We refill those bore wells so that they can reuse this water for projects and multiple crops throughout the year. And please join us for our initiatives. Our website is www.saveindianfarmers.org, and you can reach us at info@saveindianfarmers.org. You can be part of us. You can become volunteer like us. Feel free to reach us regarding our projects. Be part of us, like donate. We accept our PayPal via PayPal online, as well as like we want to have your time. And also like for this current event, I'm thankful to all the sponsors, including ITV Gold, the mega sponsors, Hidden Gems for performing this as a voluntary, and definitely all our guests like who have come here with the CDC guidelines. And I hope everyone be safe in this pandemic world. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mahesh Wani. I volunteer for this non-profit organization called Save Indian Farmers. We are doing a fundraising event here today We are raising money to work on projects for water conservation back in India. These projects will be done with a lot of in lot of different states and with a lot of different organizations. The fundraiser today is actually going to help us achieve that goal of helping many needy and poor farmers in India. And I really appreciate ITV Gold to be supporting us and to be always helping us get our message out to the community. We thank them, and we really look forward to an association with each and everyone, and hope you actually join us as volunteers, hope you join us and donate towards our cause, and we make a positive impact in the life of the poor and needy farmers back in India. Thank you.
I am Rajesh Kulkarni. I am representing Hidden Gems here, and we are performing for the SIF fundraiser. So thank you very much for the opportunity. SIF have been very good friends. We have done a lot of fundraisers with them. We really love the work that they are doing for the community back in India, for the farmers, and we are always here to support them. We ourselves are a non-profit organization. We support many other causes similar to SIF. All our singers are performing, without any commercial expectations. So we are a non-profit group too, and we are happy to always partner with friends like SIF who are doing the good work here for the community. So thank you very much for the opportunity, and I hope everybody is enjoying the program that we have put together.